You can also use the Characterizer and then make characters out of images inside of Adobe Character Animator. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to File, and then I'm going to go into the Open Characterizer option right here. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to go around into More Options, and then I'm going to click on Select an Image. Once I do that, you can see that I can go around and select picture. So I'm just going to go around and select this picture right here and click Open. And now let's see what happens. So it creates an image, so it detects the face from the picture itself, and then you can see that the face is there. So you can go ahead and then apply a style from here. Let's say, for example, if you want to do that, you can see a style has been applied right there. I can go around and apply another style as well, or I can apply this style as you can see right here. So let me just get ahead with this style. You can change around the stylization right here. As you can see, you can make it more like the character, or you can make it more like the picture over here, as you can see right there. So let me just go around and bring down the style. I can go around and then I can change around cycles, let's say, for example, so that it renders out the cycles like this, as if it is being animated frame by frame. So I'm just going to keep it in cycle 2 right here, and I'm going to go with the lowest resolution for faster rendering right there. And I'm going to go for low quality of render because I want it to be faster at the moment. I can go around into head only, or I can go around and generate the head turns as well. So I'm just going to do the head turns as well. And once I'm happy with this, I'm just going to hit generate puppet, and let's see what happens now. You can see that it has generated head turns as well, and there you go. So now what happens is that there you go, you have the character, and you can see that there's 2 frames right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the webcam, and then I'm going to track my face, as you can see. And as I move around, you can see that there is the character. It follows my head right there, just like that. I can set the rest pose right there, and there you go. So that is how you can see the character actually follows my head turn, and there you go. So you can animate it the way you want. So that is how you can use the Characterizer option to actually make puppets out of the existing images. So hope you guys enjoyed as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.